Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some farmhouse style home decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Farmhouse style home decor is a warm, cozy and rustic decorating style inspired by traditional country farm homes. It blends simplicity, comfort, natural textures, and vintage charm to create a welcoming, lived-in feel. Think of it as a mix of old-fashioned charm and practical, homey comfort. Add a rustic leather. Lean a wooden leather against the wall and hang throws or quotes on it. It adds warmth without taking up space. Use vintage baskets for wall decor. Hang old woven baskets on your wall to create a simple, textured farmhouse display. Bring in a wooden trunk. A vintage trunk works perfectly as a coffee table or end of bed storage. It feels cozy and practical. Display dried flowers. Dried lavender, eucalyptus, or witch stems bring soft countryside charm that lasts all year. Add farmhouse hooks. Install iron or wooden hooks in your entryway or kitchen to hang bags, aprons, or baskets. Try a rustic console table. Place a worn wooden console table in your entryway and decorate it with candles, frames, and greenery. Use enamelware. White enamel mugs, bowls, or jugs instantly add vintage farmhouse appeal. Style a farmhouse dining table. Seat the table with linen runners, simple white dishes, and a wooden board centerpiece. It feels warm and welcoming. Choose cozy slip-covered furniture. Slip-covered sofas or chairs in white or cream create that soft, laid-back farmhouse look. Hang a large farmhouse clock. A big rustic clock can transform a wall and add the classic farmhouse personality. Add a chunky wood cutting board display. Stand large wooden cutting boards against your kitchen wall for a rustic yet practical touches. Use glass jars for everything. Store flour, speeches, pasta, or flowers in glass jars. They are functional and beautiful at the same time. Place a bench at the dining table. Mix chairs with a wooden bench for a casual, country-style dining setup. Decorate with candle lanterns, metal or wooden lanterns with candles inside add a warm farmhouse glow, especially in the evenings. Put a vintage tray on your coffee table. Fill it with candles, a plant, a small bowl, and a couple of books for a simple farmhouse finish. Choose muted artsy colors, soft greens, gentle browns, creamy whites, and dusty blues. Create a peaceful farmhouse atmosphere. Add a barn door accent. If you can replace a normal door with a sliding barn door, it gives instant farmhouse charm. Use old vintage rugs. Look for rugs with faded patterns, soft colors, and an old wall feel. They add warmth without overpowering the space. Thanks for watching this video.